Hey, yo, throw that bag, I'm a bad little bitch, nigga. Got every ex nigga mad and they big bidder. Diamonds on the chain, blinging off my tits, nigga. I hit his phone, he gon' curve her like a pitch, nigga. Working me, pussy good, so we been hooked. If he got seen out with me, it's a big look. Word the pop, body smoking like a big book.
So I just got out of the shower. Can somebody comment below and tell me my curl pattern? Cause your girl don't know. I really don't. But I think I'm gonna dry my hair. I didn't even find somewhere to put y'all up, so that way I can very much do what needs to be done. I don't think I want to put y'all there. Ooh, that works. So yeah, this is my hair in its raw state. Okay, so I'm back. And this is real ghetto, real ratchet, but it's real TT. Like, I mixed the stuff. As y'all can see, I did have one of them. Like, it's kind of like, I don't know if it's too runny. Maybe I should. I think I might add a little more powder to it. I'm really still debating if I just want to do like the back patch or really my whole head. We're gonna see as we go through. But yeah, I don't have any gloves. This really just like very impulsive. I want to dye my hair. I want something new. So that's what's gonna happen right now. I'm going to take this comb and part like little parts, and then I'm going to take this comb and comb the bleach. So that's how this is going to go. And y'all just gonna be here watching me, seeing what I'm doing. Yeah. Honestly, yeah, so I don't have no gloves or anything, but I mixed this is what I use, this is the consistency. I kind of put hella powder in there. Y'all think I should, see, I didn't want it too runny, like, I felt like it was too runny a while ago, but now I feel like it's too thick. Thick like me.
Boy, if you don't
get... Okay, no, but seriously. So I just added a little bit more. Make it a little bit more perfect. I feel like this is perfect. Alright. Y'all, I'm so nervous. This is how I'm gonna do it. Honestly, I don't care what y'all gotta say, because it's my hair. So if I fuck it up, I fuck it up. But yeah, I'm so nervous. Oh fuck. Oh, okay. Well, there we go. I'm dropping it. Fuck. Period. Oh, it's so much. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm about to cry. I think I'm gonna. I think I'm gonna open my window. Cause this can't breathe. No, but seriously, I'm nervous. I feel like this. This might not come out how I want it. And it's gonna be nobody's fault but my own. But we're already here, so. We already here. So yeah, I know you're supposed to put it like on your ends first, and then like do the roots and stuff. But honestly, I'm really gonna just slap this shit on here. So yep, there's that part. We're just gonna apply this here. Take another piece. I probably should have touched my hair off. I really honestly should have like combed my shit out first. But this is how it's going. I really feel like, y'all, this shit is so strong, I swear. I have never experienced anything like this in my life. I got it on my leg. Hopefully I'm not like giving myself like burns or whatever. I keep running out of storage, so really, y'all might not even get like a good video. Y'all really might only get like bits and pieces, cause really that's all that I can give y'all. I'm tired of buying storage. Like Apple, I feel like y'all be scamming. Ooh,
Whoa, this shit is so strong. Let's see. I honestly feel like I wasn't supposed to comb it. That's honestly how I feel. Like, I wasn't supposed to comb it. But I'm combing it now, so shit, fuck it. A bitch can't breathe. Like, my nose is about to start running and everything. Wait. Wait. I really don't know. Update, I'm halfway through my head. That is cute. This, I am struggling a lot. Real quick, so this is what we got. We're waiting for this side. Honestly, I really might not even wait for this because I really don't be caring when I do my hair. Literally running out of storage, but I'll be back to y'all when I wash it up. This is how it's looking now. It's so cute. I'm so happy. I really don't know how long it's been sitting. It's giving very much damage, but like, all right, I'm gonna wash this shit up right now. So right now I do have a hair mask in. This is how it came out. Honestly, I am not dissatisfied. Like, I'm pretty satisfied with it. I feel like for my first time by myself, well, I didn't dye my hair before, not bleach, but and really none of my hair fell out at all, which is why I'm proud. I'm happy. Honestly, I feel lit. I'm gonna style it maybe tomorrow, but I'm gonna just put it in a bun for tonight.
Honestly, I'm like, who they fucking with? Who they fucking with, Ace? Nobody. Who they fucking with, K? No motherfucking body. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. To my age. Care about TT. I'm not TT. Care about TT.